Phew, I feel so much better now. Excuse me, coming through. Ugh, that stink has gotta go. Nobody ever cleans but me. But it must be done. Excuse me. Hey, do you mind? My bad. Not cool. You wanna go? Try me. Huh? What's going on? Stop that! Come here. Enough fighting. Yikes. Take care of this, now! What? Yikes, that's bad. Shall we do it? I think so. Ugh, yikes. Let's do it. Treat time! Woohoo! Did I hit something? Hello? Huh? What happened? The trash! A little help here, please? Is it that bad? So gross. I need to fix this. I'm on the same page. Let's do it. Finally. I'm starving. What you eatin'? Whoa. Looks pretty good. Oh, yeah? Hey! Have some, I guess? Now look at you. Ew. I can't eat these now. Hold on. May as well get in. Noodle bath coming in hot. Can't forget to exfoliate. Oh, what now? I have an idea. Starting in here. So much stuff. Come on. There! Found it! A clean wipe. Grime be gone. Doesn't that feel nice? Ooh, clear skin who this? What's so funny? Julie? You okay? Haha, having trouble. Ooh. Look! Good heavens! Actually, it's perfect. Whatever. I hope you like the spa life, cause this is the best bath you'll ever have. Enjoy! Are those bubbles? Look at him go! That's what I call a bath, baby! Oh no! Not your face! The bubbles are out of control! Ooh, is she okay? Well? Wow! Okay, phew! You gorgeous girl, you! Yeah, fine. What? I guess this towel could go. I have an idea. Huh? Time to get dressed. Let's see what we have here. See anything you like? I don't know. What about blue? It's pretty cute, right? I think we have a winner. Let's do this. Wow, that's the perfect fit. But it could use something. Well? Hold on. Wow, what's that? The answer to everything. Who doesn't love a little gold sparkle? There. Nice and flat. Wow. I can fit it right to your body. There, see? Just press it anywhere you want. And then, you've got gold. It took this dress from drab to fab fast. Wow, you aren't kidding! Just give me a second here. Nah. No. There's gotta be something in here. Ding ding ding! Check it out! Trash candy? What about me? Oh. That outfit needs some help. Let me see what I can do. I could use some color. Of course! A little sweetness, too. Like candy? You're wearing it today. A lot of it. See what I mean? What a sweet fit. Pretty cute, too. All done. Oh, interesting. Hello, beadwork. Oh, wow! You look good enough to eat. No! Don't! Huh? Oh. Okay. Whew, that was close. Fine. What can I eat then? I spy a straggler! Ha! I'm going in! Finders keepers! It's all mine! Hey! My hair! Aw. Ugh, sorry about that. I can fix it though. Let's see. Nope. I feel something. Now we're talking. Ugh, is that trash? More like treasure. It's exactly what this hair needs. Now I need a bunch of them. Ready for some serious curls? Are you? Oh yeah! Okay, here they come. Watch them fall one by one. I see waves. Gorgeous. Just look. You're all done. It's giving expensive salon. You like? Like? I love! Awesome! Curls, huh? But look at this shine. Hello, Barbie. Huh? Ready for dinner? Hi, Ken! What have you done with my Barbie? Oh no! Wait, don't go! Ah! Poor guy. Seriously? But wait, did I do this? Where did all my hair go? Awkward. I'm bald Barbie? Ken's flowers. I can do something with these. Just you wait. Bald Barbie is getting a makeover. Just trust the process, okay? A new dew is about to bloom. Aren't these pretty? It's a bouquet on your head. Wow! Way better than boring hair. Don't you think? Look! It even matches the dress. Wow! That's stunning! Wow, thanks, girl! Sure. Phew. Huh? Ooh! It's like rotten garbage in there. I need something minty stat. Huh? This calls for a good brush. Do your thing, toothpaste. Huh? Jeez. Come on! I need freshness! Uh-huh. Okay, let's see. Fresh, baby. Until next time. Barbie? I want a purse. Well, I can arrange that. 1 second. Julie? Well? Gotta protect my skin. Here we go. There. Nice and coated. Time for a glitter bath. Nice. Once that's dry, boom! Let's blow this thing up. That should hold you over the day. Don't you think? How fabulous! All it needs is a strap. So cute. Good as gold, Barbie. It matches your outfit perfectly. Wow, it does! Wow. I'm a genius. And me? Hey! Oh, right. Okay. What is she doing? Getting crafty up in here. Uh-huh. Just using what I've got. Now to attach. Yay! See this scrap? Put this little string on it. Then wrap it around and around. Now put glue on the sides. And attach another string like so. Then put all your stuff. Aw, can't go anywhere without him. All done. The perfect purse. Adorable. Ooh. Nice and strong. Here you go. It's all yours. Ooh. It's fine. You like it? I said it's fine. What about our bling? Bare neck? Not on my watch. I got you. I'm sure one of my jewels will work. Here. That's the size of your head. I at least need a chain. What's under here? My glue gun. Nice. Now what? I have this plastic wrap. But… Oh, I know. One necklace coming right up. Now hold still. Just you wait till it's done. First step complete. Now for the fun part. Gold, baby! Is there any better color? Jewels, I guess. Just look at this thing. Perfect! You look great! Only the finest for you, Barbie. Obviously. No way! I can make jewelry too, you know. Okie dokie. Anything good? What? Aha! Cheerios? Yes! Winning! Snack attack coming in hot. Or, what else can I do with it? You thinking what I'm thinking? Let's make this more interesting. Time to go for a little dip. Sprinkle time. One down, one to go. So tiny. But look, they're little earrings. See? Try them on. Wow! I'm digging these. Huh? All done. I'm done too, you know. She looks like $1,000,000. So does my Barbie. Wow, didn't cost it though. Touché. These Barbies look fab, don't they? Let us know what you think in the comments and be sure to share, like, and subscribe for more.